So anyone looking to publish content on the web needs a blogging platform. So blogging helps you establish your voice online. So now it's time for us to bring your ideas to life. So WordPress is the most popular and trusted by thousands of business owners at building their massive brands. So big companies in the world manage their sites with WordPress. So if you know from the start that you are building a business around your profitable keywords, then it makes sense that you should build it using WordPress with Namecheap. So you need a hosting account to register a domain name to start. So you can get your business domain with Namecheap for $5.98 per year. For .com, if you want to use a .com, like me, I am using here .com, Mybizbreakthroughs.com, and my other website here is travelwithjeng.com. So it is important that you get a domain related to what your business or product is all about. Like for example, in my case, my content is about business breakthroughs. So my domain name here is Mybizbreakthroughs. So your domain name is as much as part of your brand as your business name or logo. And you also need to incorporate your profitable keywords strategically when you register your domain name, because search engines use your domain name to understand what your site is about and help determine search rankings. So it's essential to include keywords where possible. Avoid using hyphens. You'll want something brandable and easy for people to type. So keep your domain name short, and that is flexible because you don't want to be so precise that there's no room for you to grow your business. So once you purchase a web hosting and a domain name, you can install WordPress and start using it. Namecheap offers greater security and stability. And if you are not a techie like me, they provide the best and efficient support team. So a managed WordPress hosting solution like Namecheap's ECWP eliminates much of the worry. So having a hosting account right now is a good option for future scalability. So Namecheap users can use this hosting platform to build a brand new WordPress website in a snap. So Namecheap users like me can use this hosting platform to build a brand new WordPress website in a snap. So with all the tools to manage your site with just a few clicks.